Hi VJ, you don't need to change the images. What happens, especially when you have pictures with faces and whatnot in them, is it may sometimes require a little massaging in the CSS for the mobile, and that's only the aspect ratio or the height of the image. So let me just quickly show you what to do, and I can help out with this if you want, for sure. We're just looking for the full screen slider. So in your WP content folder, we got the themes, there's the Tempest, and then like everything else, we have the library, the sliders with the full screen slider, the CSS folder, and finally we have the full screen.css. The FS slider.css, I'm sorry, right? If we open this up and scroll right down to the bottom, you see how we have the tablet portrait with mobile view old, and here's the height right here. All we need to do is just tweak the height until you get the pictures sort of exactly where you want them. So we've just used a general sort of 16 by 9 rule of thumb. Not all phones are different. You have tablet, you have landscape. So basically it ends up being at some point in time, there are sometimes, depending on the pictures you have, especially you have faces, you may need to increase the height of the images here in mobile view in order to get a little bit more of the picture to view, especially depending on the ratio of the image that you have, right? So because mobile, it sort of goes, and that's the problem when you have these resizable pictures, is they're not always going to fit, because your picture, maybe 16 by 9 ratio on desktop, but it's going to be more of a 4 by 3 on your mobile or things like that. Anyways, long story short, for the right here, this 240, you can increase or decrease that to get the best possible view for your mobile, or I can do that for you. The same with the old one here, and a lot of the older phones, which are maximum 360 wide, you can sort of tweak this number here a little bit as well, and it depends on which mobile phone you're looking at. So and which picture you're looking at as well. But anyways, I'm just giving you a quick overview that you don't have to change the pictures, but you can change the height of the image being viewed in mobile, so you can get, you can sort of dial it in a little bit better depending on your pictures.